So next we develop the master detail report in XML publish. So first of all, we should develop a query in Toad and will be pasted into the report builder. So here we want to paste it. Select star from EMD, right? So now this is one of the group. Here we can vary the master column. Suppose say example here I want to vary the master column is. So we have two ways is there. One, we develop a query and will be vary the columns, or else we can vary the columns directly from here. But here I am using only one table. If you go for multiple tables, we can generate the joins and we can vary the master columns. Okay. Then now we save the report with RDF extension. Master. Save it. Once it is completed, we transfer the file from local machine to server machine. This is the file we want to transfer it. Yeah. Now it is available in our server machine. We can go to log into Oracle Apps. So here we can give the operations welcome. So go to system administrator, concurrent program executable. So here we can give the name master short name, purchasing Oracle reports X master. Save the records. Next we define the concurrent program X master, XML master program. XML purchasing X master short name. So here we should change the XML. Now save the records. Next we attach this concurrent program to specific request group. The PP9 request group. Here we can give the XML master program. Save the records. Next go to respected responsibility. Submit the program from SRS window. Now we generate the XML tags. So here observe this one. This is the group. Okay. Here how many groups? There are 3 departments. 10, 20, 30, right? So 40 we don't have the data. That is the reason it doesn't come. Okay. I will explain another report also. So here in this group again we have several employees. There are 3 employees under 10th department. Okay. The next go to second group, 20th department. There are 6 employees are working. There are 6 employees are working. So here we have 3 groups are there. Each and every group we have several employees are there. Okay, so under 30th department we have 6 employees. Okay, so observe this one. Earlier program we have only one group and several columns, but here we have 2 groups. One is this group, another one is under that we have one more group. Okay, then now we are going to we save the report, save this output page as a .xml. Save it. Once it is completed, now we close that one. We check it whether XML file is generated or not. Yes, it is generated. Now we load this data in template. So first go to add-ins, we load the XML data. Successfully completed. So here initially we don't have any idea about also, then we can easily draw the layout the design. Okay, all fields automatically it is created. So here what is the advantage of this one? Here we are getting all tags. What are the tags are required for our designing of layout? All tags are automatically generated by the system. We are using that tags, we can generate our own layout as per our requirement. So how we can go to design the layout? Here observe this one. Now we want to design the layout. So this is the master column. Okay, these are the child column. Now you tell me how many columns and how many rows are required. How many columns and how many rows are required? Then so total 7 columns. Total 7 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 7 columns. Okay, 7 columns we choose. 2 rows are applicable for employee headings and employee data. Additional 2 columns are required for master data headings and master data. Right? That clear? Okay. So now we can display these fields. Just copy the fields, or else directly we can specify the fields here. EMP number, e-name, job, manager, joining date, salary, commission. Right? Now we select this one, go to home, click on bold. If you want to highlight the colors, we can give the colors. In the same manner, here we can give the master data. Okay, what is the master data here? DEPT number, right? So that respected DEPT number I want to specify as a heading. Here we can specify the columns, means for this one. So here observe this one. First of all, we are going to specify this master data. Master data also required loop, and also as well as child data also we have to require to loop. Then here first we can specify this one. What is this? GDEPT number. Observe. GDEPT number. Right? Go to check it. This is the way. So just now I am going to copy this field and specify here. Specify here. It will be repeat the DEPT number. Okay, means master. And this is only DEPT number. Okay. Then let us we copy that and specify here. Okay, let us first we check it whether the DEPT numbers are repeated or not. If it is working repeated properly, then we can go for member records. Go to validate. we are saved with RTF, rich text format. Now we don't have any errors. Go to preview and RTF. Don't consider our means wizard session. You can concentrate on only our employee data. Then this is the wizard one, right? So this is our data. 10th department is coming or not? 20 and 30. So our all departments are working properly. Okay. Now we close this one. Now we want to print the child data. Okay. Then for child data also we need to require one more loop. So this is for GDEPT number. This is for GEMP number. Okay. If you have any doubts, then go to see here. Okay. Then now we want to repeat that. Just I want to copy that and will be paste here. Next I want to copy the employee number, and also I want to copy the all fields. And also I close the loop. Suppose I don't want to close the loop. Let it check it. Automatically close the loop means end the loop. Let us check it. Validate. We don't have any errors. Preview. So now our report is working fine, right? So every data will be properly show us our information. Here observe this one, 10th department, 20th department and 30th department. Okay, but here the respected column, here observe this one, the respected 10th department number, the department number does not repeat it, right? So here what we do, we are going to specify this DEPT number loop on here. Yeah. Now validate and preview. So automatically department is repeated. Clear? So and also here, is there any restrictions to print this DEPT number below the DEPT number, or will be print here also? Then whatever it may be, suppose say example, now I want to copy this one and will be paste here. Okay, then I want to remove these fields. So here delete entire row. Right? Again we can check it. Tools, validate and RTF. There. 10th department and 20th department and 30th department. Let us. Now I can remove our wizard session. Okay. Now we are able to run our report. Validate. So before that, better to close the means end if. Okay. So here and for each. Now we validate. So that is for DEPT, means child data. Next again we want to record one more end for DEPT. One for child, one for master. So both are having same condition and preview. Whatever it may be, that is a text. If you want to change the text, automatically we can specify that. Now our report is generated successfully. Here we have a text. It is freeze actually, that is the reason. So if you want, then we can change it initially. Okay. So once it is completed, but here I don't want to display this one. I don't want to display this empty fields. So how we can do that? Just we can select this one. We have a layout. Okay. So here not design. Yeah, go to home. Here we have a proper box is there. Then which border we want to remove? Then I want to remove top border first of all. Okay. Next I want to remove the inner columns. Before inner columns, we can go to remove the right border. Is removed. Next we want to remove that inner borders. Inner lines. Inner lines means then inside vertical border. Right? It's very simple. Right? The next we can go to check it and the preview run it. So we don't have any disturbance for that. Okay. So in this manner, suppose say example, I don't want to see any lines. Everything. I don't want to see anything. I want to see in a plain text. Right? How we can do that? We select the all fields. Go to home. Here we can select no border. Okay. And everything will be going to remove. Now we can go to check it, validate and run it. This is our actual report of our master detail. Clear? So once it is completed, next what we do? We are going to register in Oracle applications. Then go to login to Oracle apps and switch to XML responsibility, define data definition. So before that we want to retrieve the concurrent program name, short name, sorry. XML master program, this is our short name. Go to create a data definition. So here we can paste our code. So now we can give the Reddy. Purchasing, click on apply. Next go to template, create a new template. Here we can give temp and the next template code. So purchasing is, application is purchasing Reddy, and we can choose output, then browse RTF file, language English. Now click on apply. Once it is completed, then we close this window and will be switch the responsibility and submit the program from SRS window, master program. Submit. No, find it. So now we again submit the supported program. Sorry. We submit the report publisher. Here we are giving our earlier program and template. Then here we can give the HTML one, whatever it may be. Okay. Now refresh. Now it is completed. Click on view output. We are able to see the output of our report. Right. So very simple to compare with our RDF approach. Okay, we can easily develop it because our system is designed this one. We don't want to put any effort. Just we copy the tags and will be specified where you want to print it. Okay, and finally will be registered. Okay, then so in this manner we are working with this master detail report.